Aldrin and Lara Grace. Today we are celebrating the celebration of this love. Celebration of the love of God for all of us and the celebration of the love between Aldrin and Lara Grace. May they be able to live this love until the very end of their lives.
The stars. My heart beat fast as I looked at you, and I could tell yours was racing too. We fell at once and never looked back. My love will never fail you. My arms will always save you. I will make you mine. I swear to always fight for us, and I swear no one can touch this love. Oh, I will make you mine for always.
Lara Grace, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si Aldrin na narito ngayon alinsunod sa batas at alituntunin ng inang simbahan?
Opo, Father.
Buong puso ba ang pagkakaloob mo sa kanya ng iyong sarili bilang kanyang may bahay?
Opo, Father.
Nakalaan ka bang balikatin sa piling ni Aldrin ang pananagutan ng buhay may asawa?
Opo, Father.
I think it's the choice we make. Oh, and I choose you for the rest of my days. My love will never fail you. My arms will always save you. I will make you mine.
Aldrin, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging may bahay si Lara Grace na narito ngayon alinsunod sa batas at alituntunin ng inang simbahan?
Opo, Father.
Ibinibigay mo ba ng buong puso ang iyong sarili sa kanya bilang kanyang asawa?
Opo, Father.
Nakalaan ka bang balikatin sa piling ni Lara Grace ang pananagutan ng buhay may asawa?
Opo, Father.